In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Canva Magic Write to write comprehensive documents directly using the AI feature. So assuming I'm logged into my Canva account, I can just go ahead and click on create, and then I can use See Magic Write from here. I can just click on it, and it's going to open this in a fresh page where I can start prompting the AI to write anything that I want to write. So you can start typing or ask Canva. You can type on your own if you want, and at any given point, you can decide to ask the question from Canva. All right. So when you hit on this plus sign, you can search or use the Magic Write, which is going to pop up this search feature. So for example, you can use idea generation, idea brainstorming, paragraph generator, case study, business proposal writing, listing, listicle, survey, podcast outline, and so on. You can even add in documents from Canva and upload a file to guide the writing. So let's say, can you write a blog post about sustainability farming? Yeah, so let's go ahead and hit on enter to this, and you can see the speed in which it is writing the document so fast and so efficient. Take a look at what it has created. Okay, very fast, sustainability in farming, cultivating a career feature, and see the detail of what it has given us. If you want it to give you more content, or you can want it to take another direction, you can say this, but maybe you can give another direction. Or if you are okay with this, you can hit on enter, or you can copy this, and just that hit on enter, it is going to add it to the document. And you can see it has formatted everything, even the header. Sustainability in farming, cultivating a greener future. Very, very nice. You can see you can edit any of the section of the writing using the AI. Okay, or you can at any given point use this plus sign. You can hit on enter, you can use this plus sign, or you can use a forward slash on your system to be able to have access to other things. You can do Magic Write, scrollable design, you can change the headings, subheading, body, and so on. You can add many other things, even charts. You can add different kind of charts. You can do mentions, you can add a bar chart if you're interested, and with just this, it's going to give you a simple bar chart that you can customize with from the chart table in here. You can just click and you can edit the content. Okay? You can go ahead and write more. If you want to summarize maybe a section, you can select this and you can use this and then ask it to design. Okay, you can use the design, and then it's going to create a design out of this. And you can see it has given you some suggestions as regards the type of designs that it is going to create. You can search from the available templates, so you can take in any design of your choice. So let's say we'll go with something simple, and you can go ahead and edit this and add it to your content. Let me show you a better way to interact with this. So from here, you can select any section. You can use the plus sign, and you can do headings, subheadings, body, add a divider, add a table. You can do numbered list. You can add a dash, a drop down, a pie chart, a bar chart, or even a line chart. You can add in a line chart beneath this, and you can see fantastically you can click and edit the line chart as well. You can ask further questions as well. If you're interested in adding further questions, you can just highlight section and you can ask it to summarize, or you can ask Canva directly. You can say, can you rewrite this section? You can turn into an image. You can suggest improvements if you want. You can say rewrite this section and then hit on enter, and it's going to go through this and then rewrite this section into a more presentable way or format that you can easily add to your write-up if you're interested. You can see it has given you a better content to what you have. If you like, you can copy this, or you can just add to the design with just that simple click. It's going to add that section to the design. You can see and add every section that it has generated to the design to make it much better. Okay? So you can even add the bulleted points if you are actually interested. So you can do quite a lot with this, and you can select any section and have these basic editing features as well. If you're okay with what you have, you can always export your Magic Write content directly by coming to share and go to download. You can download it in PDF standard, in an A4 document. Go ahead and click on download. At any given point, if you are interested, you can continue to write using the Magic Write. You can write and ask further questions as well, and it is going to write more, will give you a better direction to what you have. So this is about Magic Write in Canva. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.